Hey, I'm Alex. Are you tired of boring textbooks and confusing grammar rules? Do you wish learning English could feel more like play than work? You're in the right place. In this podcast, I'll show you fresh, exciting ways to learn English. No memorization, no stress, just real progress while having fun. English isn't just a language, it's a key to new friendships, adventures, and opportunities. And the best part, you can learn it joyfully starting today. Lesson 1. Learn through stories why stories work. Stories are magical. They transport us to new worlds, introduce us to fascinating characters, and make words stick in our minds. When you connect with a story, you feel the language instead of just memorizing it. How to start? 1. Begin with simple stories, fairy tales, children's books, or short anecdotes. 2. Listen or read aloud. This helps you hear pronunciation and rhythm. Create your own tiny tales. Example: once a little cat dreamed of sailing the ocean. Every night, it slept in a paper boat, imagining waves. Make it fun. Jokes and riddles, e.g., why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Chain stories. Start a story with one sentence, then ask a friend to add the next. Watch animated shorts, like Pixar's For the Birds, with English subtitles. Daily practice. Spend 5 minutes reading or listening to a story. Write one silly sentence using new words, e.g., the dancing banana stole my hat. Lesson 2. Learn with pictures why pictures work. Your brain loves visuals. Studies show we remember images faster than text. Pairing a word with a picture creates a mental hook for recall. Try these. Flashcards with drawings, e.g., a sketch for sun. Watch videos with strong visuals, cooking tutorials, travel vlogs. Mind maps. Link words like travel to images of an airplane or trees. Doodle new words. Even stick figures help. Example, draw for water. Pro tip: label objects in your home with sticky notes, e.g., mirror, lamp. You'll learn without trying. Lesson 3. Learn by moving. Why movement helps. Actions anchor words in your brain. When you physically act out jump while saying it, you're doubling your memory power. Fun ideas: act out verbs, spin, twirl around, whisper, cup your hands. Gesture phrases for stop, for please. Role play: pretend to order coffee or ask for directions. Name objects while walking. Point and say tree, bench, cloud. Success story: John hated textbooks but learned 50 plus verbs by acting them out. Now he teaches English through dance. Lesson 4. Stay curious, and creative curiosity equals fuel for learning. Ask questions like, why do we say a unicorn but an hour? What's the funniest English idiom? It's raining cats and dogs. Creative boosters: write a mini story about your day. Today, my coffee ran away. Learn through hobbies. Love soccer? Watch a match in English. Switch it up. Try podcasts, songs, or comics if books feel dull. Lesson 5. Creative writing starts small. One-sentence journals. The sunset looked like melted gold. Describe a photo, find a funny picture, and write 3 sentences about it. Fun challenges. Finish this story. The door creaked open, but no one was there. Then I heard. Write a postcard to a fictional character. Dear Harry Potter, can I borrow your broom? Lesson 6. Learn by watching and listening. Be a language detective. Watch slow speaking YouTubers like Easy British English. Copy speakers' tones, e.g., how their voice rises in really. Shadowing. Pause a video and repeat exactly what's said. Daily habit. Watch one short clip, even 2 minutes, and jot down one phrase to practice. Final tip. Tiny steps, big wins. Change your phone's language to English. Sing along to one song daily. Bonus points for dramatic gestures. Celebrate small wins. Every new word is progress. Remember, English is your playground. Explore, laugh, and enjoy the journey. Next episode, how to think in English without translating. What's your favorite fun way to learn? Reply and let me know.